Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm actually getting ready to go to Chicago, to go to the city, and Chris and I are gonna ride some jet skis. It's been a long time since I've done water sports, so I'm pretty excited today. My hair is all piled up on top of my head because I just washed it, and I'm letting it air dry, and when I kind of pile it on top of my head, it gives me more volume, and we always need more volume, right? I have my little backpack here that I'm packing. In here, I packed some spray. This is the Rio Radiance. Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin, because my skin's been very dry and I need something moisturizing, and this is great for that. My Supergoop Unseen sunscreen, some powder because it's gonna be very hot and humid today, a couple of brushes, and then my mascara wand. It's actually to brush out my lashes though, because you know when they get wet. I don't know if I'm gonna fall in the water or not. Chris is gonna be driving the jet ski and I'm gonna be a passenger today, so he might fling me out of it. I don't know, depending on how fast he goes. I'm gonna bring a little hair clip. Chris is getting ready right now in the other room, and we're about to head out. I've got my phone. Oh, that's everything. I want to make sure that I grab one of these waterproof phone cases. This is what I used when we went to the water park. It's nice to put your phone in there and you can still film and not worry about your phone getting wet. Road trip snacks. We have turkey jerky and Snickers. We have arrived at the dock and we need to put some sunscreen on. I'll share the place that we're at with you guys in the description below, because I hear that this is the best priced jet ski rental in this area, and they recently got brand new 2023 Yamaha jet skis, or 3-seaters, and it's supposed to be fast. Sunscreen. It's about $160 for an hour, and that's for 2 people to be on one jet ski.
Good.
Should be good. Ready?
Press and hold.
That is your gas, so once you get like out to the lake.
Alright.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, go ahead and turn it on, so press on the red. Turn to your right, other way. You want to click on the right? Alright, you guys are good. That's okay, guys.
Thank you. Chris drives like an absolute maniac.
You're supposed to drive like a maniac.
Scared me.
She almost fell off.
Well, that was amazing. I give that a 9 out of 10. What do you think?
I say it's 9 out of 10 as well.
I think we're going to find somewhere to eat, maybe by Navy Pier. I don't know, but I'm in the mood for something delicious. I'm in the back seat of the car about to change clothes since I'm wet. I brought a sweater and a little romper outfit and some shoes. Alright guys, after dinner, Chris and I walked around downtown for a while.
Yeah, we walked for 45 minutes. We lost our phone during the walk. We went back and got it though.
I used the ladies' room in some bar and left my phone in the stall. The restaurant was Beatniks. 10 out of 10 would rate that.
Very good. And the best thing about Mediterranean food is you can be content but not be miserable afterwards.
Yeah, you're definitely full, but it doesn't sit heavy, so it's really nice. Very refreshing too, that dessert. Oh my gosh, if you guys ever go there, you must get the lemon pistachio pudding. So I think we're calling it quits for today.
Lemon pistachio pudding.
Oh, pistachio lemon
Preserved lemon pudding.
pudding. Preserved lemon? It was pistachio lemon.
No, it wasn't.
Hello my friends. It is early in the morning and it was a struggle to get up today. I don't know why. I love elegant, beautiful hair, and I don't really know how to do my hair. I've always had curly, long hair growing up, and then I started straightening it so it was just flat and straight. For a heat protector, I used my trusty Living Proof. And then because my hair gets dry at the ends, Amika Heat Defense Serum. Smells absolutely amazing. Focus. Gives your hair a nice shine and it just makes it soft. It's softening. Let's attempt this. I'm watching a YouTube video. I'm going to link her channel down below. I believe she's a hairstylist. Maybe you know her. She has a ton of followers. But we're going to do something easy. I love wearing a good outfit and I would love to have chic, elegant hair to go along with it. So I thought, let me start with something easy, make it realistic for myself. And here goes.
Let's updo. Let's start with something very easy, shall we? First, you're going to separate the hair in front of your ears on either side and put everything else into a low ponytail.
Gosh, I don't follow directions well either. I need my listening ears today. Send me back to kindergarten.
Just make sure everything looks nice and texturized and full.
Okay.
It gives you a little bit more special occasion. And now we're just going to work on pulling back. First thing you're going to do is split the hair on each side in half and take the back half back.
Okay, split the hair in half. Okay, then I'm supposed to take the back half on each side and put it, okay, like that. Oh gosh. I think my hair's too short. Is it a fail already? Come on, I can do this. Okay, twist it over. Girl. She made it look so easy.
So nice, so easy.
Yours
Then
is
you're
nice
gonna
and
do that
easy.
Again with the hair that's left down. Leave it in the
What, this
opposite
hair?
direction
Wait.
so that it crisscrosses down.
I can't see anything. And then I'll need to put up, I need bobby pins so I could put this hair up. It doesn't look like hers at all, but I did curl the pieces in the front. I like the way it looks in the front. It's just a regular ponytail in the back. I don't know, I guess I need longer hair without layers. It's such a little ponytail, not so cute. But I have to work with what I have. It's not even long enough to put it in a bun. So yeah, we'll make it work. It's better than what I typically do when I throw it in a ponytail, so that will do. That's my attempt, day one attempt of doing something with this hair. are you still sleeping? You are bumming it today, sir. Yes, you are. Let's do a switch. Maxwell. Come on, buddy, switch. Come. Okay, Sarah, switch. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, Max. Hi. This is today's outfit. I have my Amazon loafers on today. Linen black pants, a mango top. This purse is from Amazon as well. Perfect for when you need to have your hands free. Same sunglasses as always. Just something simple and comfortable. I've put on weight, you guys. Ever since my family came to visit and I started eating like crazy, I haven't stopped. So it's 2 weeks of just eating a bunch of junk food. I gained 5 pounds. So 5 pounds is a lot for somebody who is 5'2½", and I can definitely feel it. I see it in my clothes. I feel bloated and blah. So yeah, I've been getting back on track. But it'll be nice when I start to really incorporate those salads and lots of fruits and vegetables just to feel better, you know? It's all about feeling good. All right, I'm gonna head out. I have errands to do. Today's errands include taking Max for his weekly bath, and then I need to go to the post office and then to the UPS store to make a return. Of course, we have to go to the bathroom first. We're looking for a good spot. Maxwell, pick a spot, baby. You gonna pick somewhere? Nope, the tree's not good enough. Okay, sorry for that. I just thought he was gonna tinkle. I'm back home now, and while I was out doing my errands, I found these cute little pots from Marshall's. They were only $5.99. I thought it was perfect for our new little guys here. I gave them a little bit of water. I'm about to give them a little bit of light. Cyro's getting a little bit of light right now. Sunbathing. You having a good time, bud? All right, I need to think about what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. It is almost 4 o'clock. Chris will be home for dinner in an hour, so actually he doesn't get home till 6. I have plenty of time. I think I'm gonna work on some editing. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun. I did. Oh, a girls' night is coming up. I posted on my community page if you didn't see it. If you would like advice about something, relationship problems, career questions, blended family questions, just advice about anything in life, anything that has to do with being a woman, I'm here for you. Let's have a girls' night, let's have a drink, let's have fun and hang out. Leave your question below and I'd be happy to answer it. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.